This is an ABC News special. Live coverage of the solar eclipse. Now from New York, here is correspondent Frank Reynolds.
Good morning. This is indeed a special events broadcast of a genuine special event. The last total eclipse of the sun over the continent this century. The moon is moving between the sun and the earth and across a relatively narrow strip of the northwestern United States and central Canada. What you are seeing now is a picture taken from the Goldendale Observatory, and it's showing the eclipse of the sun over Portland, Oregon. It is approximately 75% or so of totality. In 13 minutes, it will be total over Portland, and we'll show you a fantastic sight then. These are the lights of Helena, Montana. What's with the actual eclipse itself? Have we got a chance to, any of our cameras working there? We're trying to find the sun, or the sun eclipsed by the moon.
Frank,
Go ahead, Ron.
Frank, this is absolutely amazing.
There it is.
There you can see it. The roar of the crowd has just gone up. This is just the most exciting thing I think I've ever participated in.
This is the best picture we've had yet. This is the best.
Frank, I can't tell you how lucky we are. There have just been thousands of people running around the Rocky Mountains, going as much as 400 and 500 miles during the night, trying to find a hole in the clouds. We were told there'd be a total cloud cover here, and as you can see, somebody's on our side this morning. The light here is eerie. It's yellowish gray on the horizon. And I just hope that those people who've traveled through the Rocky Mountains all night are enjoying this eclipse as much as we are here.
Well, I'm quite sure that they are. Gee, after making all that effort to get to a place where even just a few clouds could blot out a sight that, we must remind you again, will not be seen on this continent in this century, not until, let's see, what is it, August 21st, 2017 or so?
You know, Frank,
we'll be able to see another one.
Mentioning that kind of time span, I was talking to a scientist who said on the average an eclipse will happen in the same place perhaps every 360 years. And I was just wondering, thinking about what this area was like 360 years ago. A few French trappers, Crow and Blackfeet Indians, and now we have people running around the Rockies in their cars trying to find it. I wonder what it's going to be 300 years from now.
You wonder what the reaction was of the people who saw it, too, at that time.
Precisely.
Gee. The sun worship that was so prevalent at that time. Now it's beginning to move away, isn't it, Ron?
Yes,
there's
now,
the diamond
now
ring.
The city is coming to light again. Isn't that amazing? It's just absolutely...
We've lost it.
Well, I hope that those thousands of people who are to the east of us have enjoyed such a fantastic sighting as we just have.
We're seeing the moon now begin to move across the face of the sun, so that the eclipse is no longer total over Helena, Montana. Well, we've seen Portland in the daylight. We've seen it dark. Let's see if we can see Portland once again, quickly. See if it's become light there again. Can we do that? Hey, there we are. Welcome back to daylight, Portland. So that's it, the last solar eclipse to be seen on this continent in this century. And as I said, not until August 21st, 2017, will another eclipse be visible from North America. That's 38 years from now. May the shadow of the moon fall on a world at peace. And ABC News, of course, will bring you a complete report on that next eclipse, 38 years from now.